This 5-minute solution will show you how to see your Snapchat account current password on iPhone. If you previously saved your Snapchat password, then here are two different methods you can easily find out your Snapchat password. The first method is go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on passwords. After verifying your Face ID or passcode, scroll down and search for Snapchat, or you can use this search box to find out Snapchat. And here you will get your Snapchat account username and password. And the second method to see your Snapchat password is you have to open a Google app. You can open Google Chrome browser or Google Drive or Gmail. So I'm going to opening my Gmail and then tap on your Google account. Tap on manage your Google account. And here select security. Then scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here you will get password manager. Tap on it. Tap on this search passwords box and type here Snapchat and tap on Snapchat. And here you will get your Snapchat account password. This is how we can see Snapchat password on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.